Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about women's respect. According to me, a woman wants just respect. Woman's sword is her tongue. She fights for love and respect. She should be the symbol of love and respect because she is mother, daughter, sis, and wife. According to my observation, she gives lots of services to her all relations, but most of the times these services are not valuable for others. Especially in Asian countries, woman is the victim of domestic violence because she is financially too weak and cannot tackle the in-laws' greed. So please give opportunities to a woman by home to be independent and self-sufficient financially. This is just for her survival in any case of marriage, divorce, etc. This is the only way by which she'll never be the slave of anyone and she can easily spend her life with freedom. Life according to me.